This comes from Martin Fernandez, also known as Osmond Francis. I tested out this track, the way, it engaged people on the dance floor was very good, so I thought to share it again here during our show for those of you who don't know this artist and haven't heard or had the opportunity to listen to this track. So enjoy it. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. This is Allie, Sherlock, How Love Works, Osmond Francis drum and bass remix. Enjoy!